Morning prayer for healing, strength of the Lord. When a new day begins, we often have our own thoughts, the anxieties that have built up from the days gone by. Especially in these years, when we have gone through many trials and experiences, the physical pain or the weariness of the soul can sometimes cause us to feel overwhelmed. You may feel tired not only from your body, but sometimes from the hidden sorrows in your heart. And that is exactly when the healing strength of the Lord must appear. God is not only with you when you are joyful and healthy, He is always there to heal the invisible wounds that you carry within. Especially for those who are middle-aged or elderly, when everything around seems to be changing, when health is no longer as it once was, we begin to feel loneliness, a sense of lack, and sometimes the fatigue in our minds. You are not alone on this journey, and the morning prayer for middle-aged and seniors is an invitation for you to find a place of peace, where God will heal every pain and restore your spiritual strength. You may feel like you've been left behind. You may be facing worries about the future. Or perhaps it is the physical pains that time has left behind. But remember, the healing strength of the Lord is limitless. He will never let you fight alone. Come to Him in every new morning, in those quiet moments, to find peace in your soul. Remind yourself that the healing strength of the Lord is not just words, but a living reality, an invisible but powerful strength, capable of healing all the physical and spiritual pain that we carry within. In every prayer, He will draw close to you, granting you comfort and the strength to overcome all difficulties. The burdens of life, the changes in our bodies and minds as we age, all of these can make us feel insecure and exhausted. But today, through the morning prayer for middle-aged and seniors, I send you a reminder that God is always there, ready to heal all the wounds within you if you open your heart to receive. Prayer for health. Lord, I stand before you in the peace of this morning. As the first light of the new day touches my heart, I offer you my most sincere prayers, words from deep within my soul. Please grant me abundant health so that I may continue to live a meaningful life, a life full of hope and faith. Lord, in each passing day, I feel the changes in my body. The signs of aging are beginning to show. The aches and pains that sometimes seem unavoidable. The wrinkles, the steps that are no longer as swift as before. Sometimes I feel powerless before the changes in my body. But I know that I am not alone in this struggle. I surrender to you all my worries about my health. Please help me overcome the fears of illness and the physical weakness that I cannot control. Lord, in my moments of weakness, I know that only you can heal the wounds that no one else sees. You are the Almighty, the Creator of all things, and you are the one who can restore my strength. I surrender all my anxieties about my health into your hands. Please help me relax my mind and not let worries about illness control my life. I do not want to live in fear of changes in my body, but instead, I want to live in peace and confidence in your love. Lord, I remember your words in the Bible. I am the Lord who heals you. Exodus 15:26. I trust that only you can heal me from the physical pain to the worries in my heart. Please grant me peace, not just in my body, but in my soul. I believe that through each prayer, through each moment I place my trust in you, you will renew my strength to overcome all the challenges in life. Please also grant me wisdom to take care of myself, to know how to maintain my health and listen to my body. I know that health comes not only from you, but also from whether I take care of this body you have given me. Please help me have the patience and determination on my journey to take Please also bless me with friends and loved ones around me, to share, to encourage, and to help each other through the difficulties of life. Lord, I know that with you, all things are possible, even if my body is weary, even if age makes me feel weak. My heart remains strong because of your boundless love. Please always be with me, healing my wounds, renewing my strength each day. I trust that under your protection, I will never face the struggles of life alone. I surrender all my health concerns to you, Lord. Please protect and shield my family and me from illness, and grant us a life of health and peace. Lord, please hear my prayer and grant me strength, peace in my soul, so that I may live a full and meaningful life. Amen. Prayer for peace of the soul. Lord, I thank you for your invisible but powerful. You are always by my side, even in the moments when I feel weak and lonely. I know that even when I face emptiness in my soul, I can still find peace in your presence. That peace does not come from external circumstances, but from the steadfastness and love you have for me. Lord, in this life, sometimes worries and sorrows from the past make me feel exhausted, worn out. The wounds in my heart that time cannot erase still linger, making it hard for me to stand firm. I may feel lonely, as if no one understands the pain in my mind, the painful memories, the failures, the harsh words from others, sometimes still echo in my heart. They drag me down, causing me to doubt myself and making my soul feel heavy. However, I know that only you can heal the wounds I cannot handle on my own. I surrender all my worries, my sorrows, the memories I cannot let go of into your hands. Please help me forgive the hurts of the past. Help me release all the burdens I have carried for too long. I understand that if I do not forgive, my soul will never find peace, and if I do not let go, I will be trapped in the past, unable to move forward. Lord, in these days, as time passes, I feel the worries about the future growing larger. Will I have enough strength to continue living? Will I have enough time to do all the things I long for? These unanswered questions sometimes make me feel insecure. But I know you are the one who leads me. You are the firm protector for me in every circumstance. I surrender all my worries about the future, about the unknown, to you, so that you can help me live in the present with the belief that you will always care for me. Lord, please help me learn to relax my soul. Help me live each day in serenity, not letting worries about the past or the future cloud the light within me. I surrender all the emotions I cannot resolve on my own, the anger, the hurt, and the fears. Please heal them all. Grant me peace in my heart, so that I can live a complete and meaningful life, even when I may not understand everything happening around me. I believe that through your healing strength, you can help me overcome all the difficulties in my soul, no matter how great the pain may be. I still believe in your boundless love, which will bring comfort, clarity, and the ability to forgive. I ask you to let your love fill every corner of my soul, and grant my soul peace, free from the burdens of worry. Lord, please help me see each new day as a gift. Help me live in joy and gratitude. Help me see the beauty in the simple things in life and feel your love through the peaceful moments. I do not want to be caught up in unnecessary worries, but want to open my heart to receive the peace from you, so that I can live each day with freedom in my soul. Please always be with me in every step, in every thought, in every action. I trust that you will never forsake me, but will always shield me, helping me through all difficulties in this life with the peace and strength that only you can provide. Amen. Prayer for family and loved ones, Lord. I stand before you with reverence and gratitude, offering you my most sincere prayers from my heart. Today, I do not only pray for myself, but I pray for my family, for those I love and care for deeply. In every step of life, my family is where I find warmth, comfort, and the strength to keep going. I know that there is nothing more precious than the loving relationships we share with each other. Lord, please grant my family health, so that we may face all the challenges of life together. We know that life is not always smooth, and sometimes we face trials that are unpredictable. Please grant each member of my family abundant health, so that we will not have to worry about sickness or physical weakness, so we can live fully every day together. Lord, please also grant my family peace in our hearts, in time, and always put ourselves in each other's shoes to understand and empathize. Please help my family understand that differences are not what should divide us, but opportunities to learn from one another and love each other even more. I pray for my loved ones, those who are not with me every day, but will always have an important place in my heart. Please always protect and take care of them. Grant them peace in their hearts and good health, so they may live a fulfilling and happy life. I know that even if we are physically distant, love and prayer can still bring us together. Morning prayer for middle-aged and seniors is not only a prayer for myself, but also a prayer for all those I love. I entrust my family to you, so that you may care for and protect us in every circumstance. Please heal all the relationships in my family, whether between spouses, parents and children, or siblings. I know that you can heal all things, bringing harmony and love to every family. And please help my family always preserve love, patience, and forgiveness. Lord, please grant my family a life full of joy and hope. Even though life has many trials, please help us always see the light of love and peace in every day. Please help us live a full life, knowing how to love, how to share, and always remembering that family is where we find the greatest strength and comfort. I trust that under your protection, my family will always be shielded and guided to live a happy, peaceful, and loving life. I offer these prayers to you with all my heart and faith. Amen. Thank you for taking the time to pray with us this morning. We hope that this prayer has brought you peace and strength to start a new day filled with hope. These prayers are here to remind you that you are never alone. God is always there, and He will continue to walk with you through every journey. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. We would love to hear your experiences, prayers, and stories. Let's build a connected community together, where we can share prayers, hope, and comfort with one another. You can also share any prayer that has helped you and that you wish to pass on to others. Please click like if you find this prayer helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to not miss any upcoming prayer videos. We aim to create a peaceful space for mutual support. Thank you for being a part of this community.